Are you still using the worst quality back glass cover of your iPhone? And in this video, I will teach you in 3 ways how to judge if the back glass of your iPhone is good or bad. Hello everyone, this is Mark bringing you the latest cell phone repair information in Huaqiangbei, China. And nowadays, a lot of my friends will tell me that the back glass they replaced at some cell phone repair store was of very poor quality. What is the reason for this? I'm going to explain to you the current state of the cell phone back glass market from these 3 points. And the first, what versions of the back glass do you have on your iPhone? There are only 2 versions of the back glass that our iPhones replace in the global market. The one is the European versions, and the number 2 is the American version. The European versions all display the CE logo on the back glass, and this CE logo which is required to enter the European markets. And the other is the US version, which usually has nothing behind it, just have an Apple logo. And the second, what you must know is that each version also has 2 features. And the European versions is divided into the large hole back glass and the small hole back glass. Likewise, the US version comes in large hole and the small hole. And in the example of the iPhone 10, the length of the iPhone 10 in the large hole is 2.45 centimeters, and the length of the small hole is 2.35 centimeters. So, when do you need to use large or the small holes? When your camera lens isn't broken and you don't need to remove the lens frame. So you need to replace the large hole glass, because after removing the broken glass, you can place the large hole back glass directly on the phone. And if your camera lens and the back glass are broken, then it is time to replace the small hole in the back glass. Of course, there is another special case. It's this: the back glass with the camera frame. The back glass with camera frame, just to make it more convenient when replacing the back glass, because the back glass itself has a back camera frame, so it can greatly improve the repair efficiency. And the third, the most important point, how to distinguish the quality of the back glass. This is very important for you, so it must be remembered. And number 1 is observe the plating on the back glass, and the overall reflection of the plate back glass will be particularly good, and the surface will be brighter and look better, especially the color. A good quality back glass is almost exactly the same color as the original. It looks very nice. And number 2 is waterproof. And we can drip water on the back glass and see how it works. If we drip water on it and it turns into a little droplet, and more importantly, it slides smoothly, then the back glass is extremely waterproof. And you can also write a few words on it with a marker pen. If it can be easily erased with a paper towel, that means the back glass is good. If it is hard to erase, then the quality must be poor. And number 3 is you need to pay attention to the fit of the back glass to the back case of the phone. If you can place the back glass of the phone perfectly on the back case with no gaps, that is a good indication that it is the right size. Very fun workmanship too. And these 3 points are very easy way for you to distinguish the back glass of your iPhone. So, in the end, there is one very important thing you need to know is there is no way that the back glass you buy from China are original. If a seller says they're selling an original back glass, don't believe it. The back glass you buy from China is only available in 2 qualities, and number 1 is the A+ quality, and the second is the A quality. If it satisfies the 3 points I just mentioned today, it is A+ quality. If not, it is A quality. Do you remember that? Well, that is all for today. Just follow me if you want to know more about the cell phone repair. I'm Mark. See you next time. Bye-bye.